In today's video, I'm going to reveal the best crypto to invest in now in 2024, and I'm going to back this up with 10 compelling reasons for this bold statement. Plus, I'm going to finish the video off with some exciting info that might just mean game-changing returns for me and you as investors. And if you're anything like me, you don't really like your job, your chosen career path, then game-changing returns can be achieved in crypto might just mean some early financial freedom. I've been in crypto for the last 7 years and know that anything is possible with crypto. We have a huge opportunity as investors in 2024 and 2025 with crypto. And when you look into it, this is probably the best chance we have of making serious money in a short space of time. Because I'll be completely honest, I want to make as much money over the next 12 to 18 months as humanly possible. Because the thing is, these opportunities don't come around too often for investors like me and you. Yes, you can make good money from index investing or similar long term, but why settle for 8 to 10% returns over the next year or two when you can potentially make 100%, 200%, even thousands of percent with a bit of luck? Just be aware there are no guarantees in any type of investing, and you should conduct thorough research before parting with your hard-earned money. Before we go any further, I want you to know that this video doesn't contain any financial advice. I'm just trying to help you with my 20 plus years experience as an investor. If you enjoy the video, hit the like button and let me know what your best crypto is for this year in the comments below. And then we can compare notes. Reason number one is speed. Now, before we get into speed, I just want to mention Ethereum, what this best crypto in 2024 is often compared to. Now, before any diehard Ethereum fans lose the plot, I do like Ethereum and I do hold Ethereum, but I've got to be honest, Ethereum is not without its issues. And one of them issues is slow transaction speed. And you're talking 12 to 15 transactions per second for Ethereum. And this is very poor. My gut feeling is that all the ongoing improvements that are being made in the background are just papering over the cracks. But again, I do like Ethereum for various reasons. Obviously not its speed. And please remember, this is just my humble opinion. Speed is very important. The best crypto in 2024 is very fast and can process up to 65,000 transactions per second. If you go to their website, they are currently processing just over 2,000 transactions per second. If you're familiar with crypto, you've probably guessed what crypto I'm talking about. But if you're still not sure, I'm going to reveal my number one crypto after I give you these 10 reasons. Reason number two, cost. This is another very important reason. And again, I'm going to use Ethereum as an example, as I need to highlight another issue with the current number two crypto behind Bitcoin. Ethereum is very expensive, and this is very frustrating for anyone using the network. The best crypto in 2024 doesn't have this issue, as the costs are very low, and you're talking $0.00064 per transaction. This is very, very low. Reason one, the speed, and reason two, the low cost. What first got me into this crypto in early 2021. Reason number three is that this crypto is decentralized. According to Wikipedia, decentralization is the process by which the activities of an organization are distributed or delegated away from a central authoritative location or group and given to smaller fractions within it. Another really important part that makes up this best crypto in 2024. And to explain this reason, I'm going to use the number one crypto, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is decentralized as it can't be controlled by governments or central banks. Instead, the network is validated and secured by approximately 18,000 nodes that operate independently of each other. And a node is a computer that participates in a blockchain network. The crypto that I'm talking about is decentralized, but not on Bitcoin's level. We're talking about 1,700 validator nodes compared to Bitcoin's 18,000 validator nodes. Reason number four is that this crypto is energy efficient. For this reason, I'm going to talk about proof of work and proof of stake. The proof of work consensus algorithm uses complex problems for miners to solve using high-powered computers. One of the negatives is that it uses huge amounts of energy. With proof of stake, miners pledge an investment in digital currency before validating transactions. To validate blocks, miners need to put up stake with coins of their own. There are pros and cons to both proof of work and proof of stake. I just wanted to focus on energy efficiency, as it is a very important topic. The best crypto for 2024, as it states on their website, uses proof of stake and other innovations to minimize the impact on the environment. And each transaction uses about the same energy as a few Google searches. Reason number five is scalability. There are loads of definitions of scalability in crypto. Just do a quick Google search and have a look. But I really like Crypto.com's definition. Scalability determines a network's capacity, including the number of nodes it has. how many transactions it can process, and how quickly it can process them, amongst other factors. By the way, if this is all getting a bit too technical and you feel like you need to go back to basics, I've got just what you need. See below in the description for details of my new crypto course. Crypto Investing Made Simple is the perfect starting point for any beginner looking to get into crypto safely. Anyway, that's the sales pitch done and dusted. This crypto is really focused on scalability, backed up in that it is made to handle thousands of transactions per second. This crypto has been created for mass adoption, and you're going to see this very clearly towards the end of the video. Reason number 6, the team behind it. This for me is hugely important and should be part of your research for every single crypto investment. Don't be like me in 2021. Between April and November, I got too excited at times. Crypto wasn't good for my mental health, if I'm being honest, and one of my issues was buying too many cryptos without doing enough research. I knew what to do, but the hype of the bull market sucked me in. Since the start of 2022, I've been working towards becoming a crypto stoic, or a crypto monk if you like. Basically, much more calm, much more neutral. And I practice what I preach, like the fact that I fully research every single crypto that I invest into, or I'm considering investing into, like learning all about the team behind the project. So the team behind this particular crypto, the team that built it in 2017, are software engineers with serious credibility. Have a look below in the description for a video featuring one of the co-founders. You're going to see what I'm talking about and why I'm so confident about this project, and you'll find out what crypto I'm talking about. Reason number 7. The companies currently working with it. When you find out the crypto I'm talking about, again, go on the website and you're going to see the companies they are currently working with. We're talking Stripe, Shopify, Meta, Google, and much more. If these huge companies are working alongside this particular crypto, it's definitely a big plus as far as I'm concerned. The fact that huge companies are getting into crypto, big institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity, even countries are adopting Bitcoin and other cryptos. This is huge and proves that crypto is here to stay. The blockchain is here to stay, and the project I'm talking about in this video is going to be a big part of this continued adoption, in my humble opinion. Reason number 8, it's designed for real world use. This is important for me. We're getting to the point in crypto where we need to see much more real world use. And this, I believe, will get retail investors very excited about crypto in general. Imagine a future where we purchase our homes on the blockchain and the deal is signed off with a smart contract in a matter of minutes, not the 10 weeks or more it currently takes as we rely on intermediaries like solicitors. The crypto I'm talking about is getting used. Real world use is happening. Like the fact that Homebase has used this blockchain to successfully tokenize a single family property. Reason number 9, the community is really impressive. This crypto has a thriving developer community that continuously contributes to the ecosystem by building decentralized applications, dApps, creating tools and participating in hackathons and workshops. It is known for its high level of engagement and support. Members actively participate in discussions on social media, platforms, forums, and developer channels to share knowledge, ask questions, and help each other. The community plays a key role in the governance of the network. Community members can participate in decision-making processes such as proposing and voting on changes and upgrades through governance mechanisms. With any crypto project, the community is really important, and there's a huge factor in whether or not the project is going to be successful. Anything is possible with this hugely impressive community. Reason number 10, vision for the future. This crypto is hugely impressive and has a high-performance blockchain platform designed for decentralized applications and cryptocurrencies. It aims to provide fast, secure, and scalable infrastructure for decentralized applications and crypto transactions. Solana aims to address the scalability issues faced by other blockchain platforms by using a combination of innovative technologies and novel consensus mechanisms. Their vision for the future is to become a leading blockchain platform for decentralized applications, providing developers with a robust and efficient environment to build and deploy their projects. In addition, Solana envisages a future where decentralized applications can rival and even surpass traditional centralized applications in terms of performance, scalability, and usability, like making necessary improvements to the current broken financial system. So I've just slipped in there that the number one crypto for 2024 is Solana, and I've given you 10 reasons for this bold statement. Remember, this is just my opinion. The exciting info I promised at the start of the video is something called Fire Dancer. If this works as planned, this would mean 1 million transactions per second on the Solana network. This would be huge, and in my opinion would have a positive impact on the price of each Solana token. Very, very positive. And as I said earlier, would mean game-changing returns for us investors. Firedancer is a new validator client designed to address Solana's speed limitations. And it's being designed by Jump Crypto. And the team behind Jump Crypto are meant to be the real deal, like serious intelligence. Have a look into Jump Crypto and see what you think, and let me know in the comments below. The mainnet launch was initially targeted for the summer of 2024, but there has been some delays. Don't take my word for it. Do your own research into Firedancer. I have a little feeling it's going to get you excited about Solana and the future of this crypto. But what if, after all this info, you're still not sure about crypto, mainly because of the mistakes you made last time? Well, if you see below in the description, I've got you covered with 15 helpful tips so you don't fuck up this time round in this bull cycle, because I want you to get into crypto and make some really good profits. That's just about it for this video. I'll rest my case. I hope you've enjoyed it and have taken something away from it. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And good luck with your crypto investing.